Chapter 6 The Plant Kingdom. Go for a nature walk. There are a variety of plants in the nature, big, small, strong, and weak. They provide us with many useful things such as food, clothing, shelter, and medicines. They keep the environment fresh and healthy. Let us learn some more about the plants around us. Quote, Someone is sitting under a shade today because someone planted a tree long time ago.
Parts of a plant. Plant body has two main parts. Root system. It is the part of the plant below the ground or soil. Shoot system. It is the part of the plant above the soil. It bears stem, fruits, leaves, branches and flowers. These two systems work together to keep the plant fixed to the soil and stand upright. Roots. Roots hold the plants firmly to the soil. Even strong winds are unable to uproot them. Roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. Then it is sent to different parts of the plant. Roots prevent soil erosion. Types of roots. Some roots store food for the plant. Radish, carrot, turnip and beetroot are some examples of edible roots. They are called food storage roots. The root with one thick main root and many small roots rising from the main root is called tap root. Plants like mango, carrot, neem have tap root system. They grow deep into the ground. Plants that have many thin roots rising directly from the base of the stem have fibrous roots. They do not grow deep into the soil. They branch out sideways in all directions. Taproot, fibrous root. Some plants have buds with the roots. These buds grow into new plants. They are called propagative roots. Cherry and strawberry have propagative roots. Trees like banyan have aerial roots. As they come down to the ground from the branches, they are present in trees with thick and heavy branches to give them support. They fix themselves to the soil and take moisture from the air. Mangroves are trees that grow in marshy and waterlogged areas. Their roots grow above the soil and are called breathing roots. They too take the air for survival from the above water the surface. Flowers. The buds growing on the stems grow into flowers. They are of various colors, shapes and sizes. All flowers have different fragrances that attract insects towards them. Flowers grow into fruits that have seeds. New plants grow from these seeds. Flower is the reproductive part of the plant. Some plants do not bear flowers. They reproduce through powder-like substance called spores or hard structures called cones. For example, ferns reproduce with the help of spores and pines through cones. Flowers in our daily life. In our day-to-day life, we use different flowers for different purposes. Perfumes. Flowers with sweet and strong fragrance are used for making perfumes. For example, rose and jasmine. Decoration. Flowers beautify the gardens. They are also used for decoration on special occasions like weddings, birthdays, etc. Rangoli patterns are also made with colorful petals of flowers. Women wear flowers on the hair. Food. Flowers like cauliflower and broccoli are eaten as food. Clove or spice is a dried bud. Worship places. Flowers are offered to the deities in the temples and other places of worship. Oil. Flowers like sunflower are used for making edible oils. Greeting. Bouquets of flowers are also for greeting our friends and relatives on special occasions. Other uses. We find floral patterns on clothes. They are also used for making natural dyes. We can buy flowers from the florist. Some common trees. Some trees are common sight in our neighborhood. Neem, banyan, peepal, kikar, mango, bilwa or Indian bale. Neem. Neem leaves have antifungal and antibacterial agents. It is used for treating malaria. Peepal. People worship peepal tree. Its leaves help to cure jaundice. Banyan. Banyan is a huge, well-spread tree. Birds make their nests in it. It has aerial roots. Kika. We get wood from making wheels of carts from kika trees. Bilwa. Flowers and leaves of bilwa tree are offered in worshipping Lord Shiva. A delicious drink is made from its fruit. Tribal people. Tribals are people who live in forests. They get food from the plants and trees growing in these forests. They hunt animals for their flesh, eat wild fruits, nuts, roots and stems of some plants. Tribals get food, water, shelter and things for everyday need from the forests. Man cuts trees for fulfilling his requirements and grows crops and makes buildings, roads, etc. This disturbs the life of tribals. We must try to grow more trees and cut less of them.